I'm a tiki. I'm gonna get everybody.
Welcome again to our channel. Thank you so much. Today we are going to make a boat. Some, are you ready to learn how to make a boat?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So this paper is for you,
Yeah.
the green one, and I have the blue one.
Yes.
Okay.
You get the blue one.
All right. So are you ready?
I don't mind if I get the
Don't mind. Okay. I get your paper. Fold it like this. Hold your paper like this, and then fold it so at the edge will touch each other, and then gradually you press them. Okay, awesome. You have to press at the edge.
Yes.
At the edge.
Tomato.
Okay.
Tomato.
All right. So
Mine is all done.
is all done.
Can we put a little love?
Love.
Yeah.
Maybe when we are done, we can put love. So at the edge here, can you see? At the edge here, I want you to bring the two together until they meet at this end. Bring them together until they meet at that point. You can see they're meeting at that point. Okay.
I don't know which way I do it.
I mean, you bring the edge. Hold it. Bring the edge together until they meet at the point here. You see, that's awesome. Press it down together. Yeah. Then press it hard. Press it very well.
Yes,
Are you done?
Just press my feet on my feet on it.
No, it's okay. Just use your hand. Your hand is enough. Just press it. The edge is hard. I know it requires some pressure. It's okay. Don't hit it too much. It's okay. Okay. Are you seeing the next one I'm doing now?
Huh?
I'm lifting this place up and covering here.
I could do that.
No, one is one that you lift. I leave one there, two there. Wait, you lift it. You have to lift it until, see the edge. This edge has to come close to this one. So yours is having a lot of gaps. See gaps? So lift it up. Lift it until this edge is at this end. Okay, so press it hard now.
Okay, press it. Come.
Just press it. Don't need to hit it. Just press it.
I need to hit.
Okay, see what I'm going to do now? I'm going to curve this edge to go inside like this. Curve this end. See, Daddy? Curve it. Curve it like this. Good. And then press it down. Is it awesome? Awesome. Then do the same here as well. Okay. That's awesome.
I love you.
Wow, that's good. Okay, so what we'll do next is to turn it upside down. Turn it like this. Turn the back. Turn the back. Good. Then do this one. Lift this.
Looks like a house.
Lift this up and bring it to the edge to be on the same line with this other one. Be on the same line with the old one. Is it on the same line? See the other one here. You have to bring it on the same line. On the same line then. Okay. Press it together. Awesome. Then you open it like this.
How?
Yeah, from here, from inside here.
Oh,
From here, see where you open.
oh, there.
Okay. Open it.
And what do you do when you open
It's going to be like a heart. It's not like a cup. Put it on your head. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so get it out. Let's go ahead.
It's off my head.
So-
it looks like a hat when you put it
Yeah, it
on
looks
your
like a
head.
heart, yeah.
Yeah, like a baby hat.
A baby heart. So turn it like this. Continue to bend it. Continue to pull it. Pull it. Going to pull it wide. Continue pulling it white, pulling it until it goes like this. Press this down now. We're going to make it, yeah. Okay. All right. Awesome. So from here, not this. So what you do? Keep it on and then turn here. Turn here until you bend at this edge. Bring it down here.
Is that on a square?
So the same way you turn the back and do the same, bring here down. Okay. Yeah, bring here down until it comes. Now bring it down to this point, down here. Okay, and then press them down. So I do mine as well. Awesome.
Too much. Now what are we doing?
Just hold it. I'm going to show you. It's no more a heart. Is it still like a heart? Oh, it's still like a heart. Oh, all right. So let's do the last stage. Now you've done it like this. That's fine. Yours is looking fine. Your boat is looking fine. Then you open it up again, like a heart once again. And then you press it down together. Press it down together. Are you ready to see the magic?
Yeah.
The magic now. Press it down together. Hold it like this. Is it fun? Then hold these two edges together. This place and this place. Then pull them apart. And you see a boat will emerge. Your boat will come to life.
How did... Whoa, what? How did you do that?
You did it.
Did I have...
You did it. You did magic. And your boat is alive.
Can we do it again?
You've done it already. See? You've done a magic boat. Your boat is alive. See? See, Daddy on boat is here.
What?
Can your boat move? Let's move. On the water.
And it's not really a water.
And see, another boat is coming from somewhere. This is a white boat.
Oh no,
Coming.
the green boat fell.
Oh, it fell. It has capsized in the sea.
It got down. Oh no, the green boat gone down.
Oh.
Well, the blue boat gone down.
Oh, can your boat move?
My boat? Oh. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna get everybody.
My boat is flying.
I'm flying higher. It's on top of the camera.
Really funny. This is our fine boat.
Yes.
Do you like the craft, Summer?
Yes.
Wow, do you love it?
Yes.
Alright, thank you friends for joining us to learn how to make a very colorful and wonderful boat. Summer, are you happy?
Yeah.
That you made your boat to come to life?
Yeah.
See Summer's boat. Summer's boat is looking so beautiful and wonderful. Wow. Alright, thank you friends, and please join us in our next video. Bye.
Bye.